everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the KSCRAFT August 2025 release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me these metal die sets. You can find these metal die sets at KSCRAFT Amazon or KSCRAFT ALIEXPRESS. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So first off, I want to mention what the three main themes for this package is. It's Christmas as well as music, and finally we have school related items. So yeah, let's get started here with this one, and this one is the bouquet wrapper Christmas add-on, and it's an add-on for the April bouquet wrapper. So you'll find it in April 2025 section of the release, and so it's really cute. It's sort of like the body of the Santa Claus, and we have the buttons and then a bow as well as a buckle. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then we have these 2025 Christmas shadow words, and they're really nice, and the size of these words are perfect. And the words are North Pole, Mrs. Claus, Elves, Mistletoe, From, Nutcracker, Presents, and Santa Claus. And here we have the 80 Musics pattern number 2 set. And it has many different fonts for this one. And it includes all the numbers. So you can make it not just 80s, you can have 90s music, you can have 70s, 60s, whatever the numbers here, and it'll have the apostrophe with the S, so it's kind of very versatile, this set. And the words are concert, melody, music, dance, beat, and rhythm. And then we have this 80 music pattern number 1, also different kinds of fonts here. And we have music, the maestro, please, off, on for world record. And here we have crayon bows, and there's 3 sizes. We have the small, medium, and large. And right here we have this mini records and sleeves. There's a small and a medium, a small and a large size. And this one we have Christmas reinforcement plate, and this Christmas reinforcement plate is for your mini albums or like some kind of hole in your tag, and you can reinforce it with these really cute shapes and sizes. It's really different. You can't get this anywhere else, so it's like really unique and a great idea. So I'll try to like make some of this and put it on some holes to reinforce them and show you, so that when you turn your album pages, it doesn't fray and then break off of your like binder rings or whatever it may be. So next up we have the school mini album, and you can decorate it with a face, and it's looking like one of those old schools with the bell on there. So it's pretty cute. It has a sunglass you can add to the face of this school mini album. And here we have candy cane bows big. So we have the peppermint style in the middle of the bow here, and then some candy canes that you can add on to this bow. So it's a really nice pattern here, and this is the big size. And then here we have the candy cane bows in small size. And here we have the Santa bag topper big, and it's basically the Santa is like shaped like a gingerbread, but the gingerbread is like a Santa. So yeah, it's pretty cute. And it's a bag topper big, this one, and here we have the bag topper small. Next up we have this cassette tape, and this is full-blown size cassette tape because you can make it into a mini album. So we have seen that there was a smaller one from last year, and then I mean last month, sorry, and it was like brought back from archives, so it appeared like last month. And so this month we have oh, this is the cassette tape. Sorry, I was like thinking the VHR tape, but no, this cassette tape, yeah, there's smaller versions from like many years ago. So yeah, this is the bigger version for the mini album, and it's like super awesome. Can't wait to make something out of that. And then here we have winter flowers, and we have all three sizes: small, medium, and large. And it has all these like cute stamens. And here we have candy cane rosette small, so it's like a rosette, but it's candy cane style, and it's super cute. And I guess this is for the middle of the rosette, how to like bind it all together so it doesn't like pop out the rosette, and it's to like secure it in place, I think, maybe this part here. And so yeah, this one is the small one, and then here we see the bigger one. And next up is the snowflake doily, and you can make many things out of it. You can make a bag topper by folding it in half, so I thought that was pretty cool. And you could also make it just like a whole entire snowflake, and you can also layer it because there's another smaller snowflake in there. So, and then this bigger outline snowflake, and it includes these stitched well, it's not hexagon, like one, I think there's like 8 sides, so it's like octagon. So it also includes 2 shaped octagons here, one smaller and one bigger, to fit in the middle of the bigger snowflake and then the smaller snowflake doily. So it's pretty cool. And then next up we have these headphones. These headphones is like a cat ear shaped here, and then you have these headphones. And yeah, it's super cute. And here we have the present box, and it's like super adorable because you can make it into a mini album. As you can see, it includes this binding here that you can add, and this very beautiful bow on the present. It makes it really beautiful. And you can also make it into a shaker because, as you can see, these outlines here. And yeah, it's pretty nice size here. Here's a sample of my hand. So yeah. And now we have this 3D Christmas gift bag, and these handles are so beautiful. It's like scalloped, and you can put some whatever paper pattern you have over here. And then here we have the VHS tape mini album. So this is like super blown size of the VHS tape from last month that came out of archive because a lot of you requested it. And then so this is the mega version of it, and I really love this because it includes lots of words in here for your VHS tape. You know, there's like many different topics for your videos, and so the words are horror, drama, action, movie, comedy, musical, romance, and a specific theme park name that I won't name, but yeah, it's in there. So yeah, it's really awesome. I know, like, growing up, I watched a lot of those theme park movies on VHS, like Snow White or like Little Mermaid, and so many other like videos on the VHS. This brings back so much memories. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. And then next up we have this record mini album and storage box. It's really cool. Yeah, it has like this record and then a sleeve for the record, so I thought that was so cool. And it goes with the music theme, and it's really retro, and it just brings back a lot of memories. So finally we have the scalloped gingerbread, and the scalloped gingerbread can be made into an album as well. As you can see, here's a hinge that is included, which is really nice. And or you can make them into tags, and there's like a smaller one and then a bigger one, and it has a word that says "oh snap," and it has a face, this gingerbread, and all the little details for your gingerbread are also included here. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!